So instead of, kailangan mo pang alisin or tibagin or replace it, might as well just not put anything on it and then let you decide what you want, right? This brand spanking new house and lot to show you in Filinvest 2, Quezon City. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Of course, we're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. Come in. So from the pedestrian entrance, you can see your 2-car port, as well as, of course, your huge gate. And then you also have a smaller gate here with access to the side of the house, which I will show you later because this one is locked. And then, before we go to the main entrance, which is already open, please take note that you have here an unlandscaped garden. So the potential to fill this with foliage up to the side and to the back of the house. Just imagine. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is brand spanking new. You're gonna notice a few details later that will, let you know na oo nga, sobrang bago. Apart from the fact na puro construction materials. Okay, so from the main entrance, you can see that it's very, very open. So you have your living, your dining, and your kitchen. You can also see from the middle of the floor, your main stairs, and bedroom number 1, which you can turn into a den or an office, it's up to you. So there you go, you've got lots of space and windows that peer over to your 2-car port and to the side of the house. It does not have an ensuite toilet and bath, but it does have your toilet and bath right next to it, which also acts as your guest toilet and bath, at least for this first floor or ground floor. Okay, so from the dining area, you have here sliding doors that lead to your lanai and, of course, to the garden that I was telling you about. And then from here, you also have access to your laundry area. So presumably you'd want to put your washing machine in here. You have your drain, your provision, and then a door that leads to your maid's quarters. Now, interestingly, this maid's quarters has 2 access points, and this is just one of them. I'll show you the other one later. So, pasok ulit tayo sa loob and go to the kitchen. So you have this nice bar. This would suit 3, but you can put 2 if you want, kung gusto mo mas may space. And then your range, or rather your stove, your range, wow, it's a triple sink. L-shaped counter, lots of storage over here, and this is where your refrigerator will go. Of course, more storage. And your back door that leads out into your utility area. Now, this can also be a laundry area if you want. It's really up to you, but this is just mainly your dirty kitchen or everyday kitchen. And then there's a metal door that leads to your storage na puro pintura. It's under the stairs, under the main stairs if you notice. So there's lots of space under there and they utilized it for storage. Smart thinking. Right. And then there's your side gate. And from here, you have your driver's, your toilet and bath, maid's toilet and bath. And this is the door that I was telling you about. The other access to your maid's quarters. So tagusan siya. So actually, if you leave these doors open, the wind flows through. So daan na lang ulit tayo dito. Oh, and if you haven't Subscribe, guys! You've been watching our videos for a while, you should subscribe. Come on, give us some love. Just as, you know, just to be fair, we also really do appreciate your likes, comments, and subscriptions. So, thank you for letting us know that this is the content that you want, because we love dishing out these videos for you. Okay, now let's head out to the second floor. And by the way, you've got 307 square meters of lot area and 240 square meters of floor area. Okay, and speaking of floor, if you can see, there is no floor finishing. So if you've seen one of our earlier videos, we've worked with a developer before who has done the same thing. So actually it's the same developer now. So the benefit of this is when you buy this house, you get to choose what finish or what material you want to put. So instead of, you know, kailangan mo pang alisin or tipagin or replace it, might as well just not put anything on it and then let you decide what you want, right? Let us know down below if this is something that you would appreciate, if you think it's smart. Okay, so behind door number 1, we have the master bedroom. So lots of space, lots of windows. You have here a sliding door that leads out into a balcony. So the balcony is about the size from the wall up to, actually it spans an L. So it goes out onto the side. Until where? Until here, until about here. So it's a very long and L-shaped balcony. And then you, of course, also have your ensuite toilet and bath with a walk-in closet. So you've got your his and hers sinks, your enclosed shower, and my favorite, it's a partially enclosed water closet. So it doesn't have a door, but it does offer you some privacy. Going back out into the second floor landing, you'll see pretty big space. So what is this for? This is for your family area or your study if you want to turn it into a mini library or study area, but generally a family room. It's kind of like a more private living room, but more private. Yeah. Okay, so across the floor, you have bedroom number 2. So of course, again, you have lots of space, lots of light. Mind you, in provision for the AC, it already has the grills, which match the rest of the house. Nice touch. And it has an ensuite toilet and bath. Now the thing about this toilet and bath is that it has double access. So you can also enter it from out here. That way, people from the family area can also use the bathroom as well as the one from bedroom number 2. And then bedroom number 3, basically the same, kind of like a mirror image of bedroom number 2, except it has an ensuite toilet and bath without anyone else sharing it. I do think it's a smart use of space though. It's like, why have an extra bathroom? We can just share this one, right? Comment down below if you agree. Okay, recap. So again, you've got 240 square meters of floor area, 307 square meters of lot area, 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, a separate maid's quarters with her own toilet and bath. Obviously, you've got this really nice open space. You've got your lanai, lots of storage, even out back under the stairs, if you remember. A 2-car port, and basically, this is your quintessential home. And the good thing about it is you even have space for choosing which materials you want for the floor on the second floor. So, on the floor on the second floor. I'm sure you guys get it. Okay, so if you're anyone you know is interested in looking for a home like this one, and this one specifically in Filinvest too, make sure you send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.